And hello there, Gundam fans and folks. This is Mixer Wars, and welcome to another episode of Mixer Wars Unboxings. And right now, what we have here is the Gundam 00 Diver Arc from the HG Gundam Build universe. Yes, so this is I forgot who's that guy name was, an updated version of the Gundam Diver Arc, or the 00 Gundam Diver from Build Divers. Yeah. So off to the side, we see here some, of course, new features for the Gundam 00 Diver Arc. And once again, we have a highlight here of the parts. The clear parts being the effect parts have light diffusing resin, or sorry, light absorbing resin, not diffusing. And of course, some new features. And off to the other side, yep, we see here Gundam 00 Diver Arc. And of course, the show where it has debuted, which is the Gundam Build Metaverse. Sorry, did I say Build Divers earlier or Metaverse? Anyway, let's see what's inside the box. So first off, we have one bag with 1, 2, 3 sprues and a sticker sheet, so all gray, white, and multicolored. The light absorbing resin, the clear parts, and another bag with all white, saber effects, and all blue. And yes, if you're wondering or thinking, yes, this has almost the same parts with Gundam 00, but with just some few modifications. So another bag with 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the multicolored sprue that is from Gundam 00, and the others are add-ons from 00 Diver Arc. And of course, let's not forget the instruction manuals. Oh yeah, the builder is, what's the name? Riku. Okay, there we go, from Riku. Yeah, from Gundam Build Divers. Yeah. And I think we have something here from Mr. Rao. Yeah, Mr. Rao here telling that yeah, the light absorbing resin. Yep. So let's take a look individually at each of the sprues. First off, we have the A sprue here, which is vaguely familiar because yes, this is the same sprue from Gundam 00. And some slight recolors wherein these were formerly just very clear white, just clear. Now it's clear green, and these were formerly yellow. Now it's somewhat with an orange tint. So that's the A sprue. We also have the B sprue here, which I think is not from 00, or is it really from 00? Oh, sorry, it's still from 00. The B sprue from 00, which is all white, and there's no C, D, E, or F, or G. It goes right away to H, wherein there are some modified parts here for the 00 Diver Arc. There's no I, but there is a J, which are manipulators, and of course these are for the GN drives. And there's a K, which is clear green, so I'm not sure if these also has the the light absorbing resin that they are boasting about. And there is the L sprue here, which is more upgrade parts or some updated parts that will match 00 Diver Arc. And an M1, again more parts that is for 00 Diver Arc. Continuing with an M2, same thing, more parts for 00 Diver Arc. And lastly, the selling point of the kit, two of these actually, 2 of N, which is the light absorbing resin. So I'm not sure how to display or show that it's a light absorbing resin. We also have some saber parts here. beam saber effects, and a PC sprue here, some stickers, and more stickers. And there you have it, Gundam fans and folks. That was what's inside the box of the HG Build Metaverse Gundam Double O Diver Arc, which is a very updated or upgraded version of the Double O Diver from Gundam Build Divers piloted by Riku. And this is Mixor saying, if you are new to the channel, please do consider subscribing, leaving a like, hitting that notification bell, viewing other videos, sharing the videos, and until next time, see you and thank you.